This is a message to Officer Riley front. You see if your wife no want you, me a make space down a yard for you. A matter of fact, me a put out the rasta man when me have tonight. Space a make down your for you so you can come. Now listen to a bagger man them we are run off them out. Actually for them tape no release yet. Enough of them do it. Eh? We women love you. We should have hold hand and build a wall around you. Use a rear no fret yourself. You understand? Make your wife just say and see if me no come for you. You understand? You need to be protected and loved and cared for. You is very say brother when me see you go so. Me say all me do then girl. I mean I don't know about like a dead goat. Jesus. You give me shivers.
Oh, you must say general? Yeah. Brother, they are Portland, you know. Yeah. They are Portland, see?
I mean, brother.
But they are Portland, and I ask someone, say, if Squadish can make that happen, what you man have to say?
That should never happen, brother.
That should never happen, brother. Great Bawdacat, you hear that?
Look good, brother.
That look good, brother.
And that cast enough there?
Yeah? No, it's not that cast, it was a pass over and a driving thing, you know what I mean?
Okay, brother.
Alright, brother. But say any pork you have, must cook, brother.
Yeah, man, the pork have to cook jerk or roast.
Yes, brother.
Yeah, man, I don't want a raw pork. No, brother.
The boss said no raw pork.
The man tell me to get him.
Don't tell me that. Tell the superintendent. Shaman, you buy the number? Yes, daddy. Number 14, Mount. Good boy. Right now, if that 14 a play, they have a nice piece of money. Can get Tony Frenchy and Kevin. Round Robin, March 19th.
Let the games begin.
Good afternoon, Cashpot. And this afternoon's winning Cashpot number 14.
Money can't done. We are the rabbit, take the girl left to start now.